already using this vase here from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to take it out to my garage to spray paint it. Alright, so this is what it looks like after it has been spray painted. So what I'm going to do now is just go in with this. It's just a piece that I have left over from another project, and what this is servers that you get from the Dollar Tree, and I have already cut the sides off, so I'm going to use the base here as my decoration for this piece. I'm gonna be going in with these rhinestone gemstones, and I picked these up from Walmart. Sometimes you can find them at the Dollar Tree, but I have not been able to find them lately, so I just grabbed a pack of these from Walmart.